Salvacion High School, Sipocor, Camarines Sur. Entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Troop Commander, Sean Daniel Serdan. Troop S1, Grace Taduran. Troop S2, Mark Daniel Ramos. Troop S3, Andrea Elisa Antang. Troop S4, Micah Princess Borromeo. Major Leader, Luis Kate Igana. DXMC Leader, Chase Danielle Sangreo. CTV Company Commander, James Marpuri. CTV Company XO, Gemini Malto. 1st Platoon Leader Boys, Jake Lawrence Guevara. 2nd Platoon Leader Girls, Janelle Sofia Mamano. School Head, Miriam Camila. CTV MAPE Facilitator, Edwin Kimba. Romaren Jean Matubis. Majorettes Coordinator, Eddie Marie Cabaltera. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Zemri Obogne. Entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Next entry number 5, Cararayan National High School. Major Leader, Jinri Rigja Flores. DXMC Leader, Mark Angel Radaza. School Head Principal, Nemia Lozada. Major Coordinator, Rona Pomar. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Mon Anthony Maranan. Assistant DLC Coordinator, Rowena Peñalosa. Assistant Major Coordinator, Tiki Cajo. Entry number 5, Cararayan National High School, Cararayan, Naga City. Majorette and DXMC only. number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Bato, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, John Fred Timothy Dancala. Troop S1, Gerald Nicole. Troop S2, Mark A. Sandon. Troop S3, E.J. Molina. Troop S4, John David Lanuzga. Major Leader, Mia Puentiveros. DXMC Leader, John Cyril Tagumata. CTP Company Commander, Mark Andrew Rodelas. CTP Company XO, Joel Kyle Labis. First Platoon Leader Boys, J.B. Valenzuela. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Christine Joy Camino. Schoolhead, Alvin Castañeda. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Police Second Lieutenant, Santiago Ramboyo. Reserve Philippine Army, Major Coordinator, Joy Argari. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Kent Joseph Samar. Entry number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Bato, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Bato, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 7, Ramon B. Felipe Sr., National High School, San Vicente, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Christine Joy Abunin. Troop S1, Joshua Portugal. Troop S2, John Paul Hecte Garcia. Troop S3, Ryan Boncolmo. Troop S4, Dan Vincent Capus. Major Leader, Eliza Dean Riodique. DXMC Leader, James Carl Lacuesta. CTP Company Commander, Rutlin Perpetua. CTP Company XO, Lance Gian Hernandez. First Platoon Leader Boys, Dan Mark Cuevas. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Ofelia Canuban. Schoolhead, Principal, Maribel Alano, PhD. CTP Facilitator, Warren Clavillas. Major S Coordinator, Vanessa Orsena. DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Russell Yanson. Assistant Major Coordinator, Joey Dolor. Assistant DLC Coordinator, King Benson Imperial. MAPE Coordinator, Alvin C. Ross. Entry number 7, Ramon Felipe Sr., National High School, San Vicente, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 7, Ramon B. Felipe Sr., National High School, San Vicente, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 8, Payatan National High School, Payatan, Goa, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Eunice Baronet. Troop S1, Melanie Pagador. Troop S2, Giancarlo Gonzaga. Troop S3, Flora B. Borabo. Troop S4, Antonio Abay Jr. Leader Girls, Jonah Carranza. School Head Principal, Luminada Ariola. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Rolando Alpon Jr. Majorette Coordinator, Eden Claro. DXMC TLC Coordinator, Early Recanala. Entry number 8, Payatan National High School, Payatan Goa, Camarines Sur. Entry number 8, Payatan National High School, Payatan Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 9, Pomopono H. Gonzalez National High School, Bahay Ligmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Sherwin Esparez. Troop S1, Francis Salvador. Troop S2, Justine Rializan. Troop S3, Henley Bañares. Troop S4, Lance Burse. Majorette Leader, Rochelle Angel Katimbang. DXMC Leader, Benchel Chelos Jr. CTP Company Commander, Raps Cesar Ascaraga. CTP Company EXO, Sandy Capin Jr. First Platoon Leader Boys, John Lee Roldan. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Marie France Bogasan. School Head Principal, Hilda Castañeda. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Angelo Coldas. Majorette Coordinator, Kimberly Briones. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Sally Hanova. Alan Lucido. Entry number 9, Pomopono H. Gonzalez National High School, Bahay Ligmanan, Camarines Sur. Entry number 9, Pomopono H. Gonzalez National High School, Bahay Ligmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 10, Lupi National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Albert Peñaflor. Troop S1, Justin Folioso. Troop S2, Mark Stanley Flora. Troop S3, Aaron Agtuca. Troop S4, Jean Paul Claveria. Majorette Leader, Nina Francine Facilitator, Eddie Alden Jr. Majorette Coordinator, Alena Mary Rosebell Melvida. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Rika Capi. Vilma Visolas, Jerwin Mojito, Ronnie Boy Pregole, and Troy Alvigere. Entry number 10, Lupi National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 10, Lobi National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 11, Shepherdville College, Palohomon, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Brian Palma Celestial. Troop S1, Hershey and Gladico. Troop S2. Thank you very much. Entry number 11, Shepherdville College, Palohomon, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 12, San Ramon High School, San Ramon, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Justin Murillo. Troop S1, Raven Hardinero. Troop S2, Ginsel Sereno. Troop S3, Gilbert Javier. Troop S4, Odi Grace Pajardo. Major Leader, Kate Angel Soliman. The XMC Leader, High School, San Ramon, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Entry number 12, San Ramon High School, San Ramon, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 13, Don Gregorio O. Balatan Institute Incorporated, Siramak, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Renier Sasutuna. Troop S1, Edgar Ani Jr. Troop S2, Gian Paul Pidi. Troop S3, Gilmar Bermido. Troop S4, Gerson Berbeje. Major Leader, Eliza May. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angeline Mendoza. School Director, Dr. Sally Balatan. School Head, Principal, Jamie Isabel Barreda. CTV Muppet Facilitator, Salvador Rule. CTV Muppet Trainer, Johannes Delgato. Assistant CTV Muppet Facilitator, Edgar Elcano. Major Coordinator, Maria Roberto Loro. Assistant Major Coordinator, Marty Sasutuna. Major Trainer, Angela Belista. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Erica Jean Aquino. Assistant DXMC DLC Coordinator, Jaimar Brian Barreda. DXMC DLC Trainer, Christian Alvarez. Entry number 13, Don Guido, the Balatan Institute Incorporated, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Entry number 13, Don Gregorio Balatan Institute Incorporated, Siramak, Balatan, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Sister Cheryl E. Zapatero DM, School Head, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated.
Next entry, Josephine Adayo Jr., Dr. Director of Education, CTP MAPE Facilitator, Elmer Peliasa, Majorettes Coordinator, Eva Rodriguez and Francis Cuadra, DSMC DLC Coordinator, Mark Angelo Rosas, Roy Apares, Assistant CTP Facilitator, James Agregado, Assistant CTP Facilitator, entry number 14, Goa National High School, Taytay, Goa Cavalieros Sur. Entry number 15, Victor Bernal Provincial High School, San Vicente Obon, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Lee Eric Flores. Troop S1, Vince Patrick Girls, Robilin Paranyal. Principal, Martin Salazar. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Joanna Rose Reyes. Majorettes Coordinator, Ray Sarsa, Marisol Sumayo. DXNC DLC Coordinator, Arlene Vega, Dan Edward Oxiano. Support staff, Kenpo, Fran Henry Lorenzo, Rodel Velasco. Entry number 15, Victor Bernal Provincial High School, San Vicente Obon, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 15, Victor Bernal Provincial High School, San Vicente Obon, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Filomena C. Vergara, Principal 2, NATO National High School.
Entry number 16, Tandai High School, Tandai, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Lysil Olimpo. Alina, CTP Camarines XO, Kayla Lorzano. First Platoon Leader Boys, Melchor Martinez. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Alexandra Torriente. Officer in Charge, School Head, Merly Esquilador. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Emilio Laudado. Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator, Sergeant Johannes Delgaco. Reserve Philippine Army, Majorettes Coordinator, Jose Andros Saison. Assistant Majorettes Coordinator, Michelle Sobrero. Majorettes Trainer, Derek Bacasala. DXNC DLC Coordinator, Georgie Ann Ansus. Entry number 16, Tandai High School, Tandai, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 16, Tandai High School, Tandai, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 17, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Mary France Clerigo. Troop number 17, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Camarines Sur. much. Entry number 17, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable David Casper Nathan Serio, City Councilor, Naga City, sir. And Honorable Maria Corazon Piñaflor, the ABC President, City Councilor, Naga City, Madam.
Next entry, entry number 18, Ragay, National Agricultural and Coordinator, Mary Servo III. Jessica Tecasa, Assistant CTP Facilitator. Entry number 18, Ragay, National Agricultural and Future School, Liboro, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 18, Ragay, National Agricultural and Future School, Liboro, Ragay, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Sir Abby Adonis Arigardo, Secondary Principal to Magarao National High School, and Sister Eleanor Amante, SPC, School Head of St. Paul Academy of Goa.
Next entry, entry number 19, Salogon High School, Salogon, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Hazel Budolio. Troop S1, Lee L. Maricor Abad. Major Coordinator, Lani Ikamen. DLC Major President, Joshin Kai Tawagan. Entry number 19, Salogon High School, Salogon, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Entry number 19, Salogon High School, Salogon, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Police Lieutenant Colonel Chavez N. Napoles, Chief CARMU, and NSPO, and Police Major Crisanto V. Romero, Logistic and Supply Officer, Naga City Police Office.
Entry number 20, St. Paul Academy of Goa Incorporated, Burgos Street, Goa, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Lasanet Cledera. Troop S1, Kate John Alvin Serrano. CTP Company Commander, Ray Cormano. CTP Company EXO, Samer Ashley Brioso. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Aldric Martizano. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Queen Yvette Corvalejo. School Head, Principal, Sister Eleanor Amante. SPC, CTP Mapay Facilitator, Mr. John Alwin Lee. Major Coordinator, Ms. Jane Buaso. The XMC DLC Coordinator, Mr. Marty Joseph Borja. Entry number 20, St. Paul Academy of Goa Incorporated, Burgos Street, Goa, Camarines Sur. Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Grayson Gonzalez, School Head, Tapayas National High School, Balatan, Camarines Sur, and Madam Erlinda P. Caringan, Principal 1, Don M. Gonzalo Memorial High School.
Next entry number 21, Sheila College, Tigaon Incorporated, Aguinaldo Street, Poblacion, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Mad R.J. Alvarez. Troop S3, John Michael Angelo Valle. Troop S4, Christine Sofia Diaz. Major Leader, Princess Juliana Omandam. EXMC Leader, John Maven Parza. CTP Company Commander, Fred Sherry Plazo. CTP Company XO, Edward Luna. First Platoon Leader Boys, Rafael Manuelos. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jade Rachel de Guzman. School Head Principal, Sister Maria Agnes Cartino OP. CTP Mame Facilitator, Mr. Greggy Israel. Major Coordinator, Mrs. Joy Vitaliano. EXMC DLC Coordinator, Ms. Angelica Riba. Entry number 21, Sheila College, Tigaon Incorporated, Aguinaldo Street, Poblacion, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Entry number 21, Sheila College, Tigaon Incorporated, Aguinaldo Street, Poblacion, Tigaon, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Sister Wilma T. Bumangabang OP, Director Principal, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Lipanan, Camarines Sur.
Next entry number 22, Inalmot National High School, Inalmot, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, School Head Principal, Dennis Raveje. CTP Mafia Facilitator, Robert Bustamante. Major Coordinator, Romeo Porta. EXMC DLC Coordinator, Bernard Palintin. Entry number 22, Inalmot National High School, Inalmot, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 22, Tinalmot National High School, Tinalmot, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Madam
Entry number 23, Don M. Gonzalo Memorial High School, Kapinitan, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Vina Renacido. Troop S1, Princess Vergara. CTP Company EXO, John Paul Espinosa. First Platoon Leader Boys, Tristan Marco Palma. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Darlene Lesante. School Head, Principal, Erlinda Caringan. CTP Mafia Facilitator, Gilmar Armoldas. Major Coordinator, Leslie Ann Belen. EXMC DLC Coordinator, Hotel Capisonda. Arlene Marie Capisonda, Major Trainer. And Darrell James Pisa, EXC Trainer. Entry number 23, Don M. Gonzalo Memorial High School, Kapinitan, Camarines Sur. you very much. Entry number 23, Don M. Gonzalo, Memorial High School, Kapilitan, Barangay, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 24, no show. So we will.
Commander, Martin Tampoco, City Company EXO, Brian Baldovino. First platoon leader boys, General San Jose. Second platoon leader girls, Leandro Brigado. School head, Janelle Madelo. CTV Mafia Facilitator, Virgilio Nino Franco, and Marian Lopez, Assistant Coordinator. Majorette Coordinator, Rosemary Rosa. Mark Anthony Galcano, Assistant Coordinator. EX MCDLC Coordinator, Christian Liria. Peter Paul Permate. Bernie Santa Cruz Ole, School President. Entry number 25, Mother Teresa Colegio, de Balatan Incorporated, Duran Balatan, Camarines Sur. Entry number 25, Mother Teresa Colegio de Balatan Incorporated, Duran Balatan, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Madam Janelle Lopez Modelo, Branch Head, MTC Balatan, and Madam Maricos Binabengua, Principal 3, Magsaysay National.
Yes, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Mary Joy Martinez. Troop S1, John Lawrence Fornales. Troop S2, Jasmine Erica Cormes. Troop S3, Cedric Arellano. Troop S4, Nicole Gutoman. Major Leader, Kate Salcedo. DLC Leader, RJ Ramusa. CTV Company Commander, Ivan Domingo Cabatera. CTV Company EXO, George Angelo Lohero. First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Eric Sermola. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Christine Joy Erasca. School Head, Rayson Gonzalez. CTV Facilitator, Lizalde Morillo. Hazel Cronico. Major Coordinator, Joseph Villamere. Rachel D. Marani. DLC Coordinator, Jason Lamina. Mark Janber Abinal. Major Trainer, Jefferson Valencia. DMC Trainer, Christian Batan. Entry number 26, Tapayas National High School, Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 26, Tapayas National High School, Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 27, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bulat, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Hanape Tataro. Troop S1, Janelle Beningo. Dave Alcuetas, CTV Company Commander, Dante Alcuetas. CTV Company EXO, James Ivan Consorte. First Platoon Leader Boys, Rachel Hertes. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Janet Sabas. School Head, Wenceslao Santiago. CTV Mafia Facilitator, Mark John Francisco. Gia Navier. Major Coordinator, Corina Lareza. Danessa Batan. DVC-DLC Coordinator, Derek Hoa. Jinky Asuela. School Representative, Christian Adrian Batan. Entry number 27, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bulat, Camarines Sur. very much. Entry number 27, La Victoria High School, La Victoria Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 28, Tambo National High School, Tambo Hui, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, J.I. Labro. Troop S1, Rupa May Lavapie. Troop S2, John Michael Vincent Isaac. Troop S3, Venice Lavapie, the XMC leader. Jefferson Macuana, CTV Company Commander. Melvin Nino Franco, CTV Company XO. Benedict Olivares, First Platoon Leader Boys. Rafael Infante Jr., Second Platoon Leader. Myra G. Oliveros, School Head Principal. Erwin Carlo Noble, CTV Mape Facilitator. Brian Quintaldino, Major Coordinator. Rowena Iago, the XMC TLC Coordinator. Luis Chavez, David Asano, SGOD Coordinator. Entry number 28, Tambo National High School, Tambo Hui, Camarines Sur. Entry number 29, Sagrada Familia High School, Sagrada Familia, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Sam Pineda. Troop S1, John Ray Moravilla. Troop Lotivo, the XMC TLC Coordinator, Evelyn Balbuena. Eduardo Servillon, CTV Mape. Entry number 29, Sagrada Familia High School, Sagrada Familia, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 29, Sagrada Familia High School, Sagrada Familia, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 30, Agdagan National High School, Agdagan, Baal, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Jimson Faila. Troop S1, Valerie Jean Berdol. Troop S2, Mark Anthony Bristol. Troop S3, Rexime Lokias. Troop S4, Jean-Marc Dumagsang. Major Leader, Alaika Bolalini, the XMC Leader. Dwayne Dante, CTV Company Commander. John Robert Lompero, CTV Company XO. Jim Rose Foliante, First Platoon Leader Boys. Jeric Tirao. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jen May Dumagsang. School Head, Leonardo Balaton, CTV Mape Facilitator. Ed Quinto, Engelbert Brescia. Major Coordinator, Reggie Benosa, the XMC TLC Coordinator. Wena Barameda. Assistant TLC Coordinator, Joan Vivares. Alma Paloma, Assistant Major Coordinator, Ted Pareras. Entry number 30, Agdagan National High School, Agdagan Baal, Camarines Sur.
from Adangan National High School, Adangan, Bao, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 31. Nag-aalis sa Katalutuan, Hangay, Camarines Sur, Katalutuan National High School, headed by the Troop Commander in Staff, Gaira S. Canyeva, Troop Commander, Jemuel F. Dakara, Troop Y. Rizal Tua, Troop S2, Saijan M. Di Castro, Troop S3, Keith Anthony O. Vargas, Troop S4, Major Leader Hazel Grace V. Espanyol, DXMC Leader Lance Rainer V. Regencia, CTP Company Commander Dan J. Cabatega, CTP Company XO Dan J. Kikuki, First Battalion Leader Boys and Cartono, Second Battalion Leader CTP Girls Eagle Zebra CTP, School Head Hazel Sete, CTP Facilitator Matt Perez, Major Leader Janice Jason, Ladies and gentlemen, from Katalutuan National High School, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 31 from Katalutuan National High School, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 32 from NATO National High School, NATO Sangay, Camarines, John Joseph Daplinan, Prop S4, James Andro de la Pena, Majorette Leader Chloe Gabriela L. Rada, DXMC Leader Kevin C. Cornell, CTP Company Commander Vic Francis Calustre, CTP Company XO John Lawrence de Vergara, First Baton Leader Boys Robert C. Brutas, Second Baton Leader Girls Mape Pelaez, School Head Filomena C. Vergara, CTP Facilitator Reynaldo Di Castro, Majorette Coordinator Jonah T. Cuatro and Marvin P. Mendoza, DXMC Coordinator Reynaldo Di Castro, Miguel C. Encinas Assistant CTP Coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, NATO National High School of NATO Sangay, Camarines Sur. From NATO National High School, NATO Sangay, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 33, coming from San Francisco, Iriga City, La Consolacion College, Iriga. Troop Commander Christopher V. Leader Shara Linia D. Maestrado, DXMC Leader Randolph Jude F. Reynes, CTP DRN Company Commander Amer Cedric Dorusan, CTP Company XO Margaret Azana B. Balitaan, First Battalion Leader CTP Boys Cyrus Husband S. Nacario, Second Battalion Leader Girls Jaina Marie A. Zorita, School Head Sister Elizabeth Infante OSA, CTP Facilitator Mr. Javier Raymond Ramos, Majorette Coordinator Mr. Richard Nero, DSC Coordinator Mr. John Patrick Martinez. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 33 from the Consolacion College, Iriga City. number 33 from La Consolacion College, Iriga City, San Francisco. Next entry, entry number 34. Nag-aali po sa Katalunuan San Jose Camarinesor, Rangas Ramos National High School. Troop Commander.
Thank you very much. Entry number 29, Bangologo High School, Bangologo. Next entry, last entry for category EF4, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel. Second platoon leaders, Aguila P. Campbell, Mother Company Commander, Shane Barreto, Mother Company Metro, Giovanni Castanova. First platoon leader, Philip Gabriel Anos. Second platoon leader, Dinos Zoe Aguilera. Fourth principal, Dr. Francia E. Pope. Mrs. Felica Morales. Principal, Senior High School. Senior Market Facilitator, Mrs. Jonathan Bueno. Assistant Senior Market Facilitator, Ms. Marisol Mendoza. Major Coordinator, Mr. Harvey Medero. Mr. Jonathan Asha, Mr. Jonathan Morales, Dr. Jose Marcelo, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Attorney General Rani Sanjay Badelza, Director of Services, Attorney General Badelza, Group of University, NC number 30, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City.
Pinarawan lang kita, boy. Tapos na, pansin na yan.
Ngayon na nga ito man.
Activation? Baka, tapos exhibition din. Pansin din kung ano.
Thank you very much. Entry number 30, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, California.